Now we're going to learn how to put the rest of the flute together. So first, take your instrument case and put it on the floor. We don't want to put it on a table or a chair, or definitely not on your lap, because it could fall off and break. So just go ahead and take a seat and put it on the floor in front of you. Make sure that the logo of your case is facing the ceiling. Everyone's flute case might be a little bit different, but most of them you'll see a logo of some sorts, and that should face the ceiling. Now you're ready to open it up. So go ahead and either turn the latches or open the zipper, depending on your case, and open it up, and you'll see 3 pieces. Before we even start taking any of the pieces out, it's really important that you know not to grab by any of the keys or any of the rods, any of those extra little pieces of metal. They can bend really easily and they can break. The first piece you're going to take out is the body, and the body of the flute is the largest section. Looks like this. It's the longest piece in there. And remember, there's a great spot right at the top of it with no keys or rods. We can grab it from there. The second piece we're going to take out is called the foot joint, and it's the smallest piece in the flute case. And it looks like this. There's a little small area right down here that is enough room to grab with your hand. Don't grab over the keys. Grab that area. Before we put it together, we can't just jam them in. We have to line it up and gently twist back and forth until both parts meet each other. Without grabbing the keys, go ahead and take the head joint out of your case. Now you'll see one end of the head joint is open, as you know, and the other one is closed. It's the open end that's going to line up with the rest of the flute. And same thing, don't jam it down, but just gently twist until it goes all the way down, and then pull it out just a little bit. Now that we have the flute assembled, we need to line it up. So to line it up, we're going to start first with where the body and the foot joint meet each other. To line it up properly, we're going to want the keys of the body to line up with the rod of the foot joint. Not the keys with the keys, but the keys with that rod. So once that's lined up, we can line up the head joint with the body. To line this up, we're going to want the tone hole to be just perfectly in line with the rest of the keys of the instrument. I like to take one of my fingers and put it on the very top key of the flute on the body, and then hold it out almost like a telescope and use my eye, close the other one, to line up the tone hole with where my finger is. That way I know it's right in line. And once you do that, the flute's assembled and you'll be ready to play.